Today we're going to go over how to create a calendar and display it on your community website. The first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to navigate to your community website. Once there, you'll go to the Welcome drop-down menu and select Login. You will then use your username and password. For this example, we're going to use admin. Once the internal homepage loads, you'll go back to the Welcome drop-down menu and select Site Admin. From here, you're going to select the tab labeled Modules. You'll then select the sub-tab Events. You'll notice that there's going to be a set of brand new tabs now located on your screen. The tab we're interested in is Calendar Management. From this screen, you'll see the calendars that already currently exist on your community website. If you ever need to edit these calendars or remove them, you can click on the pencil or edit button to edit, or the trash can or delete button to delete it. For this example, we want to add a new calendar. To do so, click on Add New Calendar. From here, you're going to want to give the calendar a name. For this example, we're going to say Social Calendar. You will then select a category for this calendar to exist in. We're going to choose Social. Now, if you want this calendar only to be viewable by members who have signed into your website, you will want to click the checkbox for Private. If you want this calendar available to anyone who hits your website, make sure there's no check in the checkbox. You also have the option of choosing a default display for your calendar. If you choose Day View, that means on your page you're only going to see per day. If you would like the Week View, it's going to show you an entire week. Month View will show you the entire month. For this example, we're going to choose Week View. And then we're going to click Save to save the calendar. Once the message has populated that says that the calendar has successfully been saved, you can then click on the Return button. And now you'll see the social calendar has been added to the list of calendars. Now, to add this calendar to a page, what you would do is you'll go to the Welcome drop-down menu and click Add a New Page. From here, you're going to want to give the page a title. We'll say Community Social Calendar. You want to give it a menu item label. This is what it will appear as in your menu structure for your community website. We'll just give it the same name. You can then choose category, which is what this page will be filed under. For this example, we're going to choose social. Then we're going to choose who is going to be able to view this page. If you have clicked the private checkbox, then you're probably not going to want it to be marked as public, as if any user hits this page, you will not see the calendar. But since we didn't put private on it, you can choose any of the following for this page. For this example, we're going to choose registered users only. Once we filled out this information, we're going to click on Save. And now we're going to go to the Assign Page Modules tab. From here, we're going to use this first drop-down menu and select Calendar. We're then going to select social calendar from the list of calendars. You'll notice that every single calendar in this list is what you saw on the Manage Calendar menu. Once you have that social calendar selected, click Publish Page. And now you will see this is what the calendar will look like. As we have selected the default for a week, you will see that it shows an entire week on the calendar. Now let's show you how to add this specific page to the menu for your website. To do so, you're going to click on the Welcome drop-down menu and select Site Admin. You're then going to go to Content Management and then Manage Menu. You're going to click on the plus sign next to Website Pages and find the page that we just created. The page we created was Community Social Calendar, so you're going to click and hold down the left mouse button. You're then going to drag and drop onto the Menu Maintenance current menu layout. And now you see that it is now showing in this list. To make sure that this list stays the way that you have just edited it, you're going to click on Save and Publish at the bottom of the screen. Once you have received the information that the new menu has been successfully saved, you can click on Return to Live Site. You'll now notice that there is a new section on your community website menu bar that shows your community social calendar. If you click on it, it'll go right back to the page that you created. You have now created a calendar and added it to a page for your community website.